Ian Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today we're playing Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones on a C diatonic harmonica. This is all part of our bending series to practice playing bends as melodic notes in your harmonica playing. We're going to be playing this in second position, but it's actually possible to play it in 3 different positions, so check the link in the description for a free tab in all of those positions. So the way we're going to play it is like this. So we're playing 1 draw 3 times, and then we're going 2 blow, 2 draw full step bend, 2 draw full step bend, 2 draw full step bend, 2 blow. So basically we've got the 1 draw 3 times, 2 blow, 2 draw full step bend 3 times, 2 blow. So we're alternating between those different notes. Now, if you played this in the other positions, it would give you a chance to practice different bends because it would put that repeated note on a different hole on the harmonica, a different bend on the harmonica. So it's worth trying the different tabs in the link to see if you can practice those different bends as well. Now, one thing to mention with this one is on the guitar riff, because this is really a guitar riff, there's a little bit of a bend on one of the notes. So what I mean by that is we're playing bends on a harmonica where we're altering the note to get the notes we want, but the note actually changes. He kind of goes ba 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 da da ba doo. So if you want to do that, you could bend the 2 draw full step bend up a little bit, the last one. The only thing is, ideally you'd want to start a little bit flat and maybe end up a little bit sharp, but we can't really go much flat off the note we're aiming for, so you've kind of got to bend it up from the correct note to quite sharp, and it doesn't sound quite right, but you can do it. It gives it a little bit of movement, which, you know, is something. So that's the notes. Let's have a little run through to get the timing. Again, really good practice for playing that bend on the 2 as a melodic note. Do check out the tab for all 3 versions of this, free link in the description. Also, if you're really keen on improving your bending, there's a link in the description to my online harmonica school, where I have a full bending course. We go from the absolute basics of just trying to get a note to move to the advanced stuff, playing melodic bends on draw bends, blow bends, all sorts of stuff like that. It's worth checking the link to check out that course and see if it's for you. What other songs and riffs would you like to practice for your bends? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you again soon for another harmonica lesson. Cheers.